Well, here's the story of two doctors from Sion Hospital in Mumbai who have been at COVID duty since March last year and are fighting numerous challenges amid the pandemic. Watch this news report.
Uphill battle for healthcare workers in their constant battle with the virus. Sleepless nights, never-ending shifts, and away from their families. These hero doctors have been through the worst. The fight still continues. Two doctors from Sion Hospital in Mumbai have been at COVID duty since March 2020. The duo recount the problems they have been facing over the past 1 year and how they are still committed to save lives. Meet Dr. Akshay Yadav from Sion Hospital, who's been a COVID warrior since March 2020.
रोज जब उनका कॉल आता था काफ़ी बार मैं उठा पाता था, काफ़ी बार नहीं उठा पाता था। रोज ऐसा लगता था एक बार तो मिलके आ जाऊँ। तो एक बार जब मैं कोविड से रिकवर हो गया, उस दौरान जब मुझे कंफर्म पता था कि मेरे शरीर में एंटीबॉडीज रहेंगे और मैं उन्हें इन्फेक्शन ट्रांसफर नहीं करूँगा, एट दैट टाइम जस्ट फॉर 3 or 4 days आई वेंट टू माई होम.
Akshay recounts the lockdown horror of 2020. Akshay is committed to his service but also feels overwhelmed by the magnitude of the crisis.
वो रिलेटिव्स बोलते हैं कि एक बार तो भी वीडियो कॉल करा दो. वो सिचुएशन मतलब एक बार तो मेरे आंखों से आंसू निकल गए. मैं नहीं करा सकता था, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे, मैं वीडियो कॉल नहीं करा सकता था एंड दे वर लाइक बेगिंग, एक बार डॉक्टर साहब, एक बार. अगर आपका कोई फैमिली मेंबर रहता तो आप कैसे सोचते. उस पॉइंट पे एक बार मैं ब्रेक हुआ था अपनी जिंदगी में.
Dr. Purva, a gynecologist in Sion Hospital, faced a difficult situation when a heavily pregnant lady came to the hospital for delivery. But carrying out a delivery in a PPE kit was a difficult task.
Sion is not a dedicated COVID hospital. But then the female had come fully dilated in labor. She was about to deliver. We couldn't send the patient to Nayar Hospital or Rajawati.
Dr. Purva has been staying at the hospital and hasn't met her parents for months.
मैं घर नहीं जाती हूँ क्योंकि ये हमेशा थ्रेट रहता है. If I go home, I would be the asymptomatic carrier. I might be transferring the infection to my parents at home.
Akshay and Purva are not the only ones. Doctors across the nation are tirelessly fighting against time, lack of resources and supplies. India salutes these heroes in whites. Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, not all superheroes wear capes, some wear stethoscopes. A woman doctor in Madhya Pradesh's Balaghat rode her scooty for 180 kilometers to join duty in Nagpur amid the sudden surge in cases in Maharashtra. Here is more.
Undeniable gloom due to coronavirus pandemic in the country. Amid this avalanche of bad news, there are some brave hearts who are at the forefront of COVID fight. Meet Pragya Ghade. She is a doctor by profession. Pragya works at a COVID center in Nagpur but was back home for a short vacation in Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. Sudden spurt in Maharashtra's COVID cases pricked Pragya's conscience. Transportation to Maharashtra was hardly available, but that did not stop Pragya. She decided to drive 180 kilometers to Nagpur. That's right, a long, arduous drive in the face of supreme duty to COVID patients.
मैं पहले भी कोरोना महामारी में काम कर रही थी, पर लॉकडाउन के कारण मैं घर चली गई थी और कोरोना के बहुत सारे केसेस बढ़ने लगे थे, तो मुझे हॉस्पिटल से कॉल्स आ रहे थे बहुत सारे और उस टाइम मेरे पास साधन भी नहीं था, तो मैं स्कूटी से नागपुर आई. मैं 9 बजे बालाघाट से निकली तो मैं 3 बजे वहाँ पहुँची. मेरा उद्देश्य था कि मेरी पढ़ाई मेरे जीवन में काम आए.
Pragya's patients are worried but equally proud.
लॉकडाउन के दौरान उन्होंने मुझसे चर्चा किया कि मैं नागपुर जॉब करने जा रही हूँ. मैंने उन्हें रोका क्योंकि मैंने बोला बेटा लॉकडाउन है, जाने की समस्या है, लेकिन वो स्वयं तैयार हुई. अपना बैग स्कूटी में स्वयं पीठ पर लाद करके स्कूटी से 9:30 बजे यहाँ से निकली और नागपुर वो 3:30 बजे पहुँची। नागपुर पहुँचकर उन्होंने तुरंत ही हॉस्पिटल ज्वाइन किया और आज वो कोविड सेंटर में मरीजों की सेवा कर रही है। मुझे उस पर गर्व है।
If Pragya is a real life idol, then these doctors and health workers from Surat are equally our heroes. These hospital staffers celebrated birthday of a COVID patient in Surat.
Happy birthday to Hinabim. Happy birthday to you.
The depression of pandemic has not allowed our COVID warriors to lose hope. Their actions is a timely reminder that not all is lost. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.